German Shepherds, a breed for competitive obedience trials. German Shepherds, often referred to as GSDs, are a breed known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. These dogs have been perceived as a breed of choice for military and police work, search and rescue missions, as well as competitive obedience trials. This article will delve into the reasons why German Shepherds excel in competitive obedience trials and what makes them the perfect breed for this type of activity. German Shepherds possess a keen sense of intelligence which makes them quick learners. They have an innate ability to understand and respond to a wide range of commands. This level of intelligence allows them to excel in obedience trials, where they are judged based on their ability to perform various tasks and follow commands efficiently. Another characteristic that sets German Shepherds apart in competitive obedience trials is their unwavering loyalty and willingness to please their owners. These dogs form strong bonds with their handlers and display a strong desire to work together as a team. This level of devotion and eagerness to please makes German Shepherds highly motivated to perform well in obedience trials. The physical attributes of German Shepherds also contribute to their success in competitive obedience trials. They are medium to large-sized dogs with a strong and muscular build, which enables them to execute various physical tasks with ease. Their athleticism and agility allow them to navigate obstacles, perform precise heel work, and execute complex commands effortlessly. German Shepherds also possess an exceptional work ethic, which is crucial in competitive obedience trials. These dogs are known for their tireless dedication and determination to complete any given task. Whether it is mastering obedience exercises or perfecting complex sequences, German Shepherds will go above and beyond to meet the expectations of their handlers. Furthermore, German Shepherds are naturally alert and possess a high level of focus. This makes them excellent candidates for competitive obedience trials, as they are able to concentrate on the task at hand without getting easily distracted. Their ability to maintain focus is required when participating in obedience trials, where precision and accuracy are paramount. The temperament of German Shepherds also plays a significant role in their success in competitive obedience trials. These dogs are known for their calm and confident demeanor, which allows them to handle stressful situations with ease. They have a natural sense of self-assurance, which helps them remain composed and focused even in high-pressure environments. German Shepherds are highly versatile, which contributes to their success in competitive obedience trials. They have the ability to excel in various disciplines and are often seen participating in other dog sports such as agility, tracking, and schutzhund. This versatility showcases their adaptability and willingness to take on new challenges, making them an ideal breed for competitive obedience trials. In conclusion, German Shepherds possess a combination of intelligence, loyalty, athleticism, focus, and versatility, making them the perfect breed for competitive obedience trials. Their keen sense of intelligence enables them to understand and respond to various commands, while their loyalty and willingness to please drive their motivation to excel. The physical attributes of German Shepherds, along with their exceptional work ethic and temperament, allow them to successfully navigate the challenges of obedience trials. With their exceptional trainability and versatility, German Shepherds continue to be a favorite choice for handlers and enthusiasts in the competitive obedience world.